was getting confused, so I took all the dates that they gave us in the show from the first 5 episodes, and mostly based on the date on Martin's tombstone, which is the 22nd of June 1994, I was able to kind of work backwards and find out when Kate went missing. This would be end of June, beginning of July 1993, and then obviously she came home the day that Martin was killed, so 22nd of June. Since we know that she was gone for just under a year, this definitely tracks. As for Jeanette and Jamie, we see that he comes onto the news 2 weeks after Kate's disappearance to ask people to come forward with information and to ask Kate to come home. So they could have started dating any time from around July 1993, and then they break up in June 1994, just after Kate comes home. And I think that's the timeline.